What's up guys, thank you. So gaming smartphone manufacturer Razer launched the Razer Phone 2 in October last year, 2 months after Google released its latest Android version. Despite that, the gaming phone launched with Android 8.1 Oreo OS at its heart. Ordinarily, users were expecting the manufacturer to release an update not too long after the launch. However, that lingered until last week when Razer hinted that the Razer Phone 2 will get Android Pie update on February 27. As scheduled, Android 9 Pie update is now available for the Razer Phone 2. The new Pie update will see the phone operate more intuitively, more efficiently, utilize its battery, and efficiently enhance the user experience for gaming and entertainment. The phone maker didn't reveal many details of what the new update brings to the table, but it should be noted that the phone 2 runs stock Android. For now, only the unlocked Razer Phone 2 models are getting the Android Pie update. The AT and T model is scheduled to get the update on April 4th. If Razer sticks to schedule, unfortunately, the gaming phone maker is yet to reveal when the original Razer phone will get Android Pie.